Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In today's second video, we'll continue working on CSWA Practice Model 1.2. But this time, I'll show you a faster way to build it. I won't go through the full step-by-step process here. You can find that in video 1, linked in the description. Instead, the focus of this video is on a powerful time-saving technique, using the Boss Extrude tool with selected contours. In the first method, we created the bottom body, the green section, then added a construction line for the top portion, shown in red. After that, we used Boss Extrude, created a second sketch based on the first one, and performed another extrusion. Now, in this second method, we'll simplify the workflow by using just one sketch, and let SOLIDWORKS do more of the work for us. I've already prepared the same sketch we created in the first video. This time, we'll modify it slightly to speed things up. First, convert the construction lines into regular solid lines so they can be used for features. Now go to Boss Extrude. Set the depth to 18 millimeters. And make sure to enable selected contours. Then simply click on the top region of the sketch, the area that represents the red body, and confirm. Next, open Boss Extrude again. Expand the previous feature, select Sketch 1. This time, set the depth to 28 millimeters. And once again, activate selected contours. And make sure Merge Result is turned on. And just like that, we've created the entire model using a single sketch and 2 extrusions. This approach can significantly reduce your modeling time, especially during the exam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.